Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete Telegram account. So if you're new in this channel, please click on the subscribe button and also like it really helps a lot. First thing you have to know that I'll be doing in this video is I'm going to be showing you two methods on how to delete your Telegram account. So the first method is the Telegram app itself. So you click on that and you click on settings. Once you click on settings, you're going to search for privacy and security. So once you find it, you scroll down till you see delete my account. So once you see delete my account, you click on that, and what it simply means, it's going to self-destruct itself, the account, once you are inactive for the month you choose. So if you choose like 18 months, that's a year and 6 months, you're not going to use this account for that period, but if you keep using it, it's not going to delete. So we're going to pick 1 month. So 1 month is the fastest one you can do. So you can just actually abandon the account. You can just log out for that 1 month, and once you try to log in again, you will find out that the account has been deleted. Then the number two method is opening up your Chrome browser. So once you open up your Chrome browser, you're going to search for delete Telegram account. So once you see that, you click on the first one. Once you click on that, you're going to impute your number using your international format. That's +122 or +234. So let me impute mine. So let's try it now. So now they're going to send you a confirmation code. So I'll go check my Telegram. Okay, and here it says this long code is the one they actually sent. You're going to see right here. So I'm going to write it out so that it will be easy for me. So it's a bit stressful because you cannot actually copy it out. So let me paste it right here. So impute it BR. Make sure you impute it correctly. So I'm going to impute it correctly. So okay. Sorry, it's going to take a while. So you click on sign in, and they said it's invalid. Maybe I made a mistake somewhere. So let me try it again. Okay. So you can see I've been signing into the account already. So after this, you're going to click on delete my account. So once you click on that, it's going to automatically delete your account. So you have to impute the reason why. So you can impute any reason you want to do what. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and you can subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.